Hey guys, so we're over at a place called Harlech today, and there's a castle here. It's day 2 of our trip to North Wales, and this is where we're going to go today, Harlech Castle. We'll give you a bit more information about it inside. Built by King Edward I. As we head down to the castle then, you'll see there is a small car park, and we've had to park away from the castle because there wasn't a spot when we got here. Look at that, there is now though, isn't there? Typical. It is a busy day though, so it is a Sunday, so that's probably why there's not a lot of parking, but these are the charges. We paid a little bit more than this, just up the road. Again, another view of the castle. An amazing building to have your entrance to as well, so I'll go and get tickets in here, I think. Some pricing info and opening hours for you. Look at the film. There's a film to start it off, Abby.
Talk about the defence, the purpose of this ground floor. So like first they had to get through the 2 huge wooden doors, and then there was like the iron barriers as well. And then if we got through here, did fire crossbows and arrows and drop obstacles
from up there.
Yeah, from up there before they get through to the next side. Oh, don't be careful. They did say don't climb anything. Yeah. Let's go this way.
The view from there would be amazing, wouldn't it? The view through those windows.
Access the height of medieval luxury from the southwest to
This is not what you want to be doing if you have any injuries. Lots and lots of steps up to the top. Does have a handy rope, balustrade mind, hold of. See why they put the castle here. The viewpoint from the top is absolutely amazing. You can see everything, can't you? Is that Snowdon in the background? Which one's Snowdon? Maybe let us know in the comments, or I'll try and put it on screen if I find out. Can you hear the Heritage Railway again? Or is it just a railway? But yeah, the view's phenomenal. 360 panoramic all the way around. Good job Abby's not afraid of heights, isn't it? Look how thick these walls were. These are just the internal ones. Not sure what a postern is, but there's a little inner walls here. The bakehouse, nice view from the bakehouse, and then a well. And then we have the prison tower. Yeah, the not so nice place to be.
My legs have gone funny.
Makes you realise how small you really are. Right?
So this is probably the best view since we've been in Wales that we've had of all these hills. So we'll scroll across now and you can see, look for the really pointy one in the middle, coming into the middle of the shot now, and that's Snowdon. This is from Harlech Castle, remember? So it's worth coming just to get the nice views, isn't it? If you come on a good day. Just some information on the cafe then. It was about £3.70 for a chai latte or a chilli hot chocolate, £6.50 for soup of the day. Yeah, with a roll. So that's some idea on pricing and times that it's open. So we do hope you enjoyed our trip out to Castell Harlech today then, or Harlech Castle. Please do leave a comment if you know more about the history of the castle. Please do like and subscribe if you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.